So there are 3 disciplines and then 5 colleges. Okay. If a pie chart is drawn representing the number of students in all 5 colleges, what is the central angle of the sector representing the students of college T? So we need to know how many students are there in each and every college. Then we can answer the question. Okay? Right, let's start. For P, 600, 400, 1000, 450, 1450. PQRST. Okay, come on, next. 1050. Next. 11,000. 1000 plus 50, 50. 1100. Next. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 13 plus 50, 50. 1400. Next. 450, 350. 800. 800, 500. 1300. So now we need to calculate 1300 with respect to all colleges, correct? All colleges in the sense, when you add these two, you get 2500. Come on. Again 2500. 5000 plus 1300. 6300. Right. If you are asked to calculate percentage, we can multiply it with 100. But we were asked to calculate in terms of degrees. So we have to multiply it with 360. That's all. 2 zeros cancel. 9, 7 times, 9, 40 times. So total it is 520 divided by 7. Correct? Matladru. 7 7s 49. Still you have 30. 30 by 7 in the sense 4 times. Approximately 74 degrees. What is the total number of students studying in college PQT together? PQT. PQ both together 2500. 2500 plus 1300 3800. Come on. What is the ratio of total number of students studying in college Q in civics? Q in civics 200. Number of students studying college T in economics. T in economics 350. 0 0 cancel. 5 4 times 5 7 times. 4 is to 7. What is the approximate percentage of total students are studying in civics stream from 5 colleges together? Correct? Come on. When you add all these values, you know that which is already equal to 6300. But now we were asked to calculate only civics. 400, 600. Come on. 350, 450, 800. 800, 200, 1000. 1000, 1000, 2000. We were asked to calculate in terms of percentage, so into 100. What is 10% of the denominator? 630. 30% in the sense 3 times only. How much is that? 1890. To get numerator 2000, we need to add 110 only. What is 1% of the denominator? 63. 2%? 126. So about 110 and 126, approximate value, right? So you may treat it as 2%, then answer must be very close to 32. Look at your options, which is nearest answer? 31, second option final. A train traveling at 33 km per hour crosses a man walking with a speed 10 km per hour in the same direction in 16 seconds. If the train crosses a woman coming from the opposite direction in 10 seconds, then what is the speed of the woman? Right. So first of all, what do you need to know? Length of the train. If a train crosses a man, distance traveled is equal to train length. That's what happened in 16 seconds. So distance is equal to train length, which is equal to, when both person and the train are moving in the same direction, relative speed is S1 minus S2. That is 23 km per hour only. 23 km per hour, convert into meter per second. 5 by 18, correct. Speed in meter per second multiplied by time taken mentioned as 16. Clear? Now this is what the train length. Now what happened? Train crosses a woman coming from the opposite direction in 10 seconds. So what do you mean by relative speed in this particular case? Both are moving in opposite direction. S1 plus S2. Okay. Speed is equal to, relative speed is equal to distance by, come on, distance divided by time. Distance in the sense here also train length, right? And you know that is what the train length. This value must be divided by time taken, which is equal to 10 seconds, which is S1 plus S2. Speed of the train is 33 km per hour plus, let us assume, woman speed is S2 km per hour. Left hand side we are talking in terms of kilometer per hour, but left hand side values are in meter per second only. Come on. So we must convert into kilometer per hour, that is into 18 by 5. 5 by 18, 18 by 5, both gets cancelled. Matladru. So now 8 times, or else keep it like this, don't change 10 value. 23 into 16. 16 20 times plus 3 times. We shall go for that. 16 20 times. 3 20. 16 3 times. 48. Both together 368. Divided by 10 in the sense 36.8 only. From this S2 is equal to minus 33. Answer 3.8, first option. Next, Sudha saves 20% of her income if her expenditure increases by 20% and savings increases by 60%. Then what person has her income increased? Okay. So income is equal to savings plus expenditure, right? Come on. Initially income is 100%. When Sudha saves 20%, savings 20%, then expenditure must be 80, right? Come on. Right now what happened? If her expenditure increases by 20%, expenditure increases by 20%, then it becomes 96. Savings increases by 60%. 60% of 20, 12. 12 increase in the sense 32. Now value becomes 128. Sum of savings and expenditure must be equal to income. Earlier it was 100, but now it becomes 128. Increased by 28 with respect to 100 only. So 100 with respect to 100, number and percentage both are same. 28% is final answer. Clear? Right, next. If theta lies in third quadrant and 15 cot theta is equal to 8, then the value of third quadrant in the sense here only tan theta and cot theta, these two will be positive, remaining all must become negative, right? So from the given data 15 cot theta is equal to 8. From this we can say cot theta is equal to 8 by 15. So base value is 8 and opposite side 15. Then hypotenuse 15 square 225 plus 64 289, that is 17 square only. Yes, next 3 cos theta, cos is negative value, okay, minus 8 by 17 minus 5 sin theta minus sin also minus sin theta 15 by 17 divided by 3 by 4 into cos theta minus 8 by 17 minus 3 by 5 sin theta minus 15 by 17. Is this clear so far? 4 how many times? 2 times. 5 how many times? 3 times. So in the numerator there are 2 terms. 3 into minus 8 by 17. Second term is minus 5 into minus 15 by 17. Denominators are 17, right? Even in the denominator fractions also, we have 17 in the denominator. You can take that common and go for cancellation. Right, let's avoid that. Now 3 into minus 8. Minus 24. Minus into minus. Plus 5 into 17. 75. I am not considering 17. Next, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus of minus, plus 3 into 3, 9. Okay, right. Now what is numerator? 51. Denominator 3. Answer 17. Second option. Hope this is clear. The average of 13 numbers is 80. Average of first 5 numbers is 70 and the next 5 numbers is 80. So out of 13 numbers, how many numbers have come? 10 numbers. So how many are missing? 3 numbers. 11th number, 12th number, 13th number. These 3 are? What is happening? Missing or repeat? Missing. So it is number missing case. If it is number missing case, do we go for direct effect or reverse effect? Come on. Reverse effect. Okay, right. Next, continue. The 11th number is 8 more than the 12th number and 12th number is 9 less than the 13th number. What are the average of the 11th and 12th number? Okay, let me take 11th number as x, which is 8 more than 12th number. Then 12th number will be 8 less than the 11th number only. Next, 12th number is 9 less than 13th number. Then 13th number will be 9 more than 12th number. Then this is 12th number, this value plus 9 in the sense that gives you x plus 1, correct? 11th number, 12th number, 13th number. Sum of these 3 numbers is equal to. What is average of 13 numbers given in question? 80. So I will take every number as 80, then 11th number, 12th number, 13th number. 80, 80, 80. Sum is equal to 240. Now continuation. 5 numbers average is mentioned as 70, which is 10 less than original average. Like that 5 numbers are there. 5 into 5 into 10, 50. Less or more? Less. So reverse effect, so we have to add 50. Next 5 numbers average is 80, which is exactly equal to original average only. So we don't have to add or subtract. Now, x plus x, 3x, minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. Minus 7 goes to the other side. Already we have 290 over there, plus 7 in the sense 297 only, which is equal to 3x. Then x value is equal to divided by 3. 9 times, again 9 times, correct? What is your question? Average of 11th number and 12th number. X and x minus 8. And their average is equal to x minus 4 only. Matladru. 99 minus 4. Answer 95. That's all. Some fruits are bought at the rate of 12 for 120 rupees and an equal number. This is very important. An equal number at the rate of 6 for 120 rupees. If all the fruits are sold at the rate of 8 for 144 rupees, then what is the gain or loss percentage in the entire transaction? Okay. Now in first case, how many fruits were bought? Come on. 12 fruits were bought at the rate of price. What is cost price? At the rate of 120 rupees. Is this clear? Right. An equal number. That means even in the second case also you should purchase same number of fruits. At the rate of 6 for 120. That means each fruit cost is equal to 20 rupees. Like that for 12 fruits we have to pay 12 into 20. That is equal to 240 rupees. Is this clear? So total how many fruits are there with us now? 24. And whose cost price is equal to 360. Is this clear so far? Right. Now while selling, what is he doing? He is selling 8 fruits at the rate of 144 rupees. Okay. Like that total how many fruits are there? 24. So even in selling price also we must sell 24 fruits here. 8 how many times is 24? 3 times. Then selling price is equal to 3 times of 144. 100 3 times 300. 43 is 120. So far 420. 3 into 4 12. So by selling these items, how much is he getting? 432. How many fruits he purchased? How many fruits? 24. How many fruits he sold? 24. Number of fruits while selling and in selling, while purchasing and while selling, both are same. So now you can directly consider these two numbers. His cost price is 360 and selling price is 432. How much profit is made? 72. Out of cost price 360, percentage into 100. What is 10% of the denominator? 36. In numerator exactly 2 times we have, right? 10% double in the sense 20% answer, second option. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, అదొకటి కేర్ఫుల్గా చూసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ ఇన్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ ఇన్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్లోను కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్లోను సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉండాలి, అదొకటి కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్, a person borrowed certain sum at 10% per annum for 3 years. Interest being compounded annually, at the end of 2 years, he repaid a sum of 5648. And at the end of 3rd year, he cleared off the debt by paying 5500. Then what was the sum borrowed by him? Okay, now let's see. Rate of interest is 10% and it is compounded annually. So after how many years he is paying some money? After 2 years. See, after 2 years, if he want to clear off everything, how much is he supposed to pay? 10% per annum amma, compound interest 2 years. Interest enta 20, మొత్తం రీపే చేయాలి అని అంటే 121% he is supposed to pay. But out of which he paid only 5648. Correct? Yes? Okay. Now for the 3rd year, if you want to calculate interest, would you calculate it on 121% or would you calculate it on 5648 or something else? 3rd year ki interest veyala? Come on. If he did not pay anything at the end of 2nd year, for 3rd year, 10% interest must be calculated on which number? Come on. Gettiga. ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఎంత? గడ్డం కింద చేతి తల్లి మాట్లాడండి. ఇఫ్ హీ డిడ్ నాట్ పే ఎనీథింగ్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ 2 years, ఫర్ 3rd year he must calculate 10% interest. I know that interest should be always calculated on principal, but on what number he is supposed to pay? 121%. But he paid a part of money, right? Come on. So while calculating interest for 3rd year, you must deduct 5648 from 120%, and then on this number only he is supposed to calculate interest. Yes or no? Right. And what is the rate of interest? 10%. Now after 3 years, is he paying only interest or is he clearing off everything? Everything he is paying, right? Then if you are asked to calculate only interest, you will just calculate only 10% of this money. But he is clearing off everything. That means he is paying 110%, right? Come on. And which is equal to 5500. This is equal to 5500. Forget about this number for some time. 110% is equal to 5500, right? Come on. Then 100% must be equal to 5000 only. 100% of what? 121% minus 5648. 100% are one and the same. That means this value is equal to 5000 minus 5648 goes to the other side. Then it becomes 10648. Correct? This is equal to what percentage? 121%. Then how do you get 1% value? Divided by 121. We were asked to calculate sum borrowed, which is principal. Principal is 100%. So that is into 100. Matladru. 121. 11 times. Come on, cancellation with 11. 11 times. 11, 9 times, 7 and then 4, 74. 6 times and then 8. 11 how many times? 8 times and again 8 times. So that is equal to 8800, which is principal. That's all. Madhamainda. Come on. Right, next. Easy kada? See, let's calculate this number. 6 into 4. Come on, 24 divided by, and bracket open, 4 plus 4. That is 8 comes in denominator. 24 by 8. How much is this? 3. So this value is equal to 3. Okay, come on. When this is equal to 3. Right. 18 divided by 9. 2 into 4 into, and now we have bracket. 4 divided by 6. I'll write it as 4 by 6. Of 3. 3 how many times? 2 times. 2. 2 times. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 2. Hey. 18 divided by 2. Correct. First we have to calculate this part of 18 by 9 into 4, 36 multiplied by 4 by 6. Here also off. This is 3. 6 3 is 18. 18 gets cancelled. 4 by 36. 1 by 9. Yes. In a test, P secured 46.8 marks that were also equivalent to obtaining 72% marks. How many marks was the test out for? So 46.8 is equal to 72%. Then 1% is divided by 72. 100% is equal to into 100. So we can treat it as 4680 divided by 72. 6 times of this number, let's calculate. 6 into 70, 420. 6 into 2, 12. That is 432, right? Come on. Right. So how many times? 6 times. 432 in the sense, still we have 36, which is equal to 5 times. To do a certain job, certain work, the ratio of efficiencies of ABC is 2:3:4 working together. They complete the same work in 8 days. So A, B, C all together will do how many units of work? 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. All together 9 parts. Like that, how many days they need? That is 8 into 9 parts. This is what the total work. Now B, C work together for 6 days. The remaining work will be completed by A in. Okay. Now B and C both together will do 7 units, 7 parts. In 6 days they will do 7 into 6. 42. So 42 parts work is done by B and C out of total 72 parts. Then remaining 30 parts. Who should complete 30 parts? A per day can do how many parts? Then to complete the work 30 by 2, which is 15 days answer? Yes. Your question is about remaining work only. Hence answer is 15. In a triangle PQR, MN is parallel to QR. Triangle PQR, MN is parallel to QR. Right, PM, MQ, PN, NR is given, and what is the value of X? Okay, right. So now, this is similar triangle, right? Come on. Then, PM by MQ must be equal to PN by NR. What is PM mentioned as? X. MQ, 2x plus 1. PN, x plus 5. NR, 4x plus 2. If you solve this equation, you'll get quadratic equation, and then after solving quadratic equation, you'll get your answer. But you know that your answer is in options? Come on. Let's substitute and get the value. If it is x is equal to 4, come on, left hand side. 4 by 2x plus 1, 9. Is that equal to 4 plus 5, 9. 4x plus 2, that means 4, 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Is 4 by 9 equal to 9 by 18? First option cannot be your answer. Second, come on, left hand side value. 5 by 2x plus 1, 11. Right hand side, x plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. By 4x plus 2, which is equal to 22, right? 4 into 5, 20 plus 2, 22. Is this simplified form is equal to 5 by 11 only? Left hand side, right hand side, satisfied or not? Yes. Second option, final answer. Okay. Two circles of radii 4 centimeters and then 5 centimeters touch each other externally. The length of the common tangent. Easy kada idi. Two circles are there. We were asked to calculate length of common tangent. Okay. So common tangent under root of R1 plus R2 whole square. Actually, distance between two centers and all danni. Distance between two centers ante R1 plus R2 kada. Come on. Minus R1 minus R2 whole square. One radius mentioned as 4, the other one mentioned as 5. 4 plus 5, 9 square, minus difference, 1 square. 81 minus 1. Come on. Answer must be very close to 9 but less than 9, right? Come on. Answer must be close to 9 but less than that. How many options are there? Only one. 8.9 final answer. Actually, ikkada R1 plus R2 ani kaadu. Distance between centers and anali. Distance between centers ante radius samme kada. Andike direct ga atla teeseskunnam. In triangle PQR, if the ratio of angles is in the proportion 20:7:9, total how many parts are there? 36 parts. Come on. And triangle internal angle 180, then one part is equal to 5 degrees only. Then find the difference between biggest and the smallest. Largest is 20 parts, smallest is 7 parts. Difference is 13 parts. 13 into 5, 65 degrees. You don't have to actually solve this question. When we were asked to calculate difference between largest and smallest, largest is 20, smallest is 7. Difference 13 parts. 13 parts must be which multiple? 13 multiple, and there is only one. Third final. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 18, and we were asked to calculate 5 times of x plus 1 by x. See, sometimes we can assume value so that left hand side and right hand side condition gets satisfied. But we have x cube plus 1 by x cube, so it is not so easy to identify x value. So let's do one thing. Use algebraic equations. If you treat x plus 1 by x is equal to some constant k. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times of it, right? That means which we can write it as k cube minus 3k, where k value is equal to x plus 1 by x, correct? And at the same time, observe your question also. We were asked to calculate 5 times of x plus 1 by x. That means 5k value, that's what we have to calculate. Am I right? 5k value always must be equal to 5 multiple. All are 5 multiples only. Come on. So here what is k value? 2. Here what is k value? 3. And next one? 4. Next one, 5. Let's substitute values and get the answer. Okay, now x cube plus 1 by x cube value mentioned as 18, which is equal to k cube minus 3k. K cube minus 3k is equal to 18, and from that we have to calculate k value, correct? From the, if it is first option, k value must be 2, right? Matladru. What is 2 cube? 8 minus something can never be equal to 18. So first cannot be your answer. Avuna. If k is equal to 3, which is second option? 3 cube, 27, minus 3k, 9, and that is equal to 18. Satisfied, right? So which option is correct? Second option. 15, final answer. మనల్ని క్వశ్చన్లో అడిగింది 5k వాల్యూ. 5k వాల్యూ కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్స్ నుంచి k వాల్యూ ఎంత అనేది మనం తీసుకుంటున్నాం. k వాల్యూ 3 అయినప్పుడే కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దట్స్ ఆర్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. హోప్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? రైట్, ఈజీ వన్ ఇది కూడా. a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. That's what you have in the numerator, correct? If you expand it, you'll get 2 times of a square plus b square only. A square plus b square or a square minus b square? A square plus b square, correct? What is a value? 1. 1 square, 1. 2 times of. Plus b square, what is b value? Cosecant x. And what is denominator? 1 plus cosecant square x, correct? Both in numerator and denominator value gets cancelled. What is here? 10 into 2, answer 20. The simple algebraic equation expand చేస్తున్నాం అంతే, ఏం లేదు దీనిలో. The inner and outer radius of a circular track are 21 and then 18 meters. What is the cost of leveling the track at 14 rupees per square meter? Answer must be 11 multiple. No, 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 yes. Fourth option, final answer. So your final answer is outer circle area minus area of outer circle minus inner circle multiplied by 14, correct? Yes or no? Area of the circle pi r square, pi is involved, so answer must be 11 multiple, right? Area of the first circle is 11 multiple, second circle is also 11 multiple, difference is also 11 multiple, answer also 11 multiple, and like that there is only one option, fourth option is final answer. Okay na? Okay na? If you want to calculate it, pi r1 square minus pi r2 square, correct? This is path area. Pi is common, 22 by 7. r1 square, 21 square, r2 square, 18 square. This is path area, track area, and cost is equal to into 14. Yes, 22 by 17, 7 into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Matladali. A plus b, 39, a minus b, 3 into 14. 7 how many times? 2 times. Let's go with last digit verification. 2 into 3, 6 into 9, 4 into 2. Answer must be ending with 8. How many options are there? 2 options are there. So either you prove one is right or you prove one is wrong. Again 11 multiplication comes to picture for me. Answer done. Okay na? Leda 9 multiplication kuda cheyochu. This fellow is 3 multiple and here also we have 3 multiple. 3 multiple into 3 multiple, answer must be, second cannot be your answer, fourth final answer. What is the smallest integer that is divisible by 5, 15, 36? Okay na? Matladru. So your number must be exactly divisible by 5, 15 and 36, right? Correct? 36 is 9 multiple. Then your original number also must be a multiple of 9. Can it be first, second, third, fourth? Over. Otherwise you'll have to calculate LCM. Right. Sin x plus y is equal to 21 by 29. Okay. Now let me draw the triangle here. Angle is x plus y here. Sin value 21 and 29. Okay, base value we need to calculate. What is 29 square? 841. 21 square, 441. Remaining is 400 only. Then base is 20. Okay, next. Cos x minus y. Here also. Angle is x minus y. 12 by 13. So base is 12, hypotenuse is 13. 5, right? Yes. Now what is your question? Tan. Tan. So I'll write like this. Tan x plus y plus x minus y. That is tan 2x only. Come on. So this is something like A and this is B. Okay, now tan A plus tan B. Samme kada? 2x. Right. So tan 2 theta. Tan A plus tan B. Yes. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Right. Tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Right. Come on. A in the sense x plus y, right? Come on. Tan x plus y. 21 by 20 plus tan B. 5 by tan B in the sense tan x minus y by 1 minus 21 by 20 into 5 by 12. You need to simplify this value. Simplification chestara chappala. Come on. Numbers e kada. Right. Next. 7 3s. 21 subtracted from 64. Come on. 43 plus 20. 63 divided by, come on, denominator 54 minus 5 by 3 into 9. That is 45 by 3, which is 15 minus 10. So we have to subtract 25 from 54. How much is that? 29. Numerator 63. 63 by 29. Second option. Easy one. This is a minus 5 whole square is equal to 0, right? From this a is equal to 5. So let's substitute value here. 25 into a square. 25 minus 1 by a square, that is 1 by 25. Just expand it. 25 into 25. 625 minus 25 into 1 by 25. 1. Answer 624. First option. Done. PQ are 3 points on a circle such that the angle subtended by the chords PQ, PR at the center are. Okay. Triangle, 3 points, P, Q, R. Chord PQ, PR, center. Okay. So PQ, angle subtended at the center. How much is this mentioned? Come on. 110 degrees. PR, angle at center, 100. Then the measure of angle QPR. ఓకే, ఈ యాంగిల్ కావాలి మనకి. రైట్, సెంటర్ దగ్గర ఈ 3 యాంగిల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 360 రావాలి కదా. ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ 210. ద రిమైనింగ్ ఈస్ 150. If the angle at the center is 150, then angle at P must be equal to half of that, right? Which is 75 degrees. Right, so come on. So here we have to calculate L plus 1, M plus 1, N plus 1. Am I right? From this, L is equal to Q plus R by P. Okay? 1 plus in the sense to this we have to add 1. That becomes P plus Q plus R by P. Come on. From this, M is equal to R plus P by Q. But here we have M plus 1. So let me take plus 1 also here. Again, P plus Q plus R by Q. While writing the final values, I am following the order. Okay, now. Next, from here, N is equal to P plus Q by R. N plus 1 in the sense plus 1. This is also equal to P plus Q plus R by R. Now finally we were asked to calculate 5 by 6 into 1 by L plus 1. L plus 1 is equal to P plus Q plus R by P. 1 by that number in the sense P by P plus Q plus R. 1 by M plus 1. Inverse of this number. Come on. Q by P plus Q plus R. 1 by N plus 1. Inverse of this number. R by P plus Q plus R. If you take denominator common, P plus Q plus R, even in the numerator also we have the same. Correct? Both gets cancelled and finally you become 5 by 6. Done. Okay? Come on, pillalu.